Yeah, hi Chetan. Very good evening. How are you?
Very good evening. Thank you. I'm good. How are you?
All good, all good. So thanks a lot. So Chetan, as you know, my name is Nitish, and we've been discussing since long. So as you have just now completed your Python and DevNet Associate training, so it would be really great, like if you can share some of the few points, like how was your overall experience, how was your experience with the training, about the content, and about the trainer, how was your everything?
I think it was all really well. Um, uh, yeah, I mean, it's all fantastic. I mean, whatever he wanted to convey, Abhijit, he conveyed very efficiently. And yeah, I think everything was, I would say, fantastic.
Okay.
So,
So that's good. So, like, how if you can share some point about the study materials, that is also fine. Like, do you think anything we
yes,
should?
yes.
Okay, okay. So no problem. Thanks, Chetan. Is there anything you wanted to say for other network engineers who are planning to join or who are planning to do Python and automation training?
Of course, I will recommend them.
Uh-huh.
And I will also try to get, let's see if I get chance to learn some advanced topics in Ansible, and also I will definitely in contact with you.
Sure.
Just one feedback I would like to give. Initially, the course felt very slow, so I think it is the kind of design of this course. I'm not sure, because I mean things many people have to get onto it. But yeah, that's the only thing. If it is by
Actually,
design, then
yeah, yeah. So it is designed in the same manner, like as you know, this is the new technology, and most, or you can say every network engineers are going to learn automation, or you can say Python for the first time. So
right.
that's what we have taken this training from basic part, you can say, and we are covering everything like step by step. So it's not like in a session, as you two have noticed, in a session we are not delivering 3 4 topics in a day, just delivering some points so that everyone can grasp that and they can practice the same and after the class hours, and whatever they get the query they can clear it in the next class or in the telegram. Yeah, so
Right.
everything is designed in the way. So
Great. Yeah, yeah, great. So all the Telegram group, everything. I mean, study material, all the notes, everything, delivery,
uh,
all awesome.
okay, so
Great.
thanks a lot, Chetan, for your time and your
Thank you.
kind words. Yeah, so I
Yeah.
really hope this training will help you a lot in your career. Yeah,
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, Nitish. Thank you.
most welcome. Yeah, thanks a lot for your time, Chetan. Yeah,
Thank
bye bye.
you. Thank you.